Hey everyone, it's Jerry Wong here, and in today's video I am going to be talking you through on how to install Build Agent Trial, which has been made available on your PDI as of Thursday the 16th of October. So I came upon a LinkedIn post, and which I'll show you, which is Diego Beltrame. Diego, thank you so much for posting out this post, because I read that this morning, that the vibe coding in ServiceNow is now available for everyone. Yay. And also importantly that this freemium trial is now available for PDIs. And I already had a PDI that I already was using. However, when I went to the Build Agent Trial certified app store page, it does mention that the compatibility was on Zurich patch 1, or if you're on Yokohama patch 8, that you're able to use this. So I went back into my ServiceNow developer page, which gave me my PDI, but however, when I looked at which version my PDI was on, I couldn't really find it. It just said Zurich, so there was no version number or anything like that. So I was trying to look for it and I couldn't find it. But I wanted to maybe look at manage my instance, which just gave me, in terms of where it says current version, latest release, and there was no option here to see which version I'm on or was I able to upgrade. What I did do is I did fire up my PDI, which I will show you. So again, just please note that this is using a different PDI because this is on the latest version. And the way that you can check where your PDI version instance is on is if you go to all, and then if you type in stats.do, you just hit enter, and that will take you to page for serverless statistics, and where it says here build tag, and if I just highlight here where it says glide Zurich 07/01/2025 _ patch 1, so I know this particular instance version is on patch 1. So the one that I had earlier on it just says patch 0, so I probably will need to wait for my other PDI instance to be upgraded. So I'm just trying to find out more information on how that is done, and once I do find that out, I will post an update out on that to the community. So if I then just let you know in terms of how to install the Build Agent, because one thing I did want to kind of advise people is, because of the ServiceNow store, you cannot sign in using your obviously your PDI username and password instance, because obviously if you're a customer you're able to log in and put that on your organizational instances. Because it's a personal development instance, the way that you need to do here is go to all, and if you go to type in plugins, so under system definition plugins, you will arrive at the application manager page. And first thing what you want to do is just making sure that your last sync with store, and as I've already synced with the store, is October the 16th 2025 at 11 PM. If that does say an earlier date, another way that you can find out, if let's say you type in build agent and I hit enter, normally because I've already installed it, it appears here installed, but normally we'll say available for you and build agent. If that does not appear for you in available for you or installed, then you just need to click on sync now. Okay, so once you've clicked on sync now, that will then update, and then your build agent will be available. And once that's been installed, it should normally look like installed build agent trial here, in which it says up to date. So I'm on installed version 1.3.13, and once that's been done, if I click on all, and then I'd go to the IDE, and that should then load up the ServiceNow IDE. And when you first initially load in, to give an example, at the moment you can see here all workspaces. I've got first build agent project. When I first loaded this up, the workspace, they had no workspaces in, so before you can use a welcome to build agent, you just need to make sure that you first create or open a workspace. So if I click into the first build agent project, this will then appear, which then you can start chatting and start kind of brainstorming new apps, or you can start creating what the apps is. So I will be playing around with this over the weekend, and I will share my updates and more videos going forward. So if you like what I've shown you, or if you've got any feedback, and I would also love to hear what you're creating and using the build agent as well. So thank you for listening, and I will speak to everyone soon. Thank you.